I'm Matt, guys, and I'm going to be on the Visual Basic 5.0 installer. Yeah, welcome.
Hi, I'm Drew Fletcher, Program Manager for Microsoft Visual Basic. On behalf of the entire team, I'd like to thank you for purchasing Visual Basic.
Can you read me first? Which one's the help topics? I explore the video shows obviously these files, I'm good to set up that. And of course, you can exit, but we're going to install Visual Basic 5.0. Continue. Okay. I'll be right back after we get this done. No. Okay, we have Biometrics Matrix fine, okay. So, not for a song? Okay. I agree. Switching for the next one, so the custom, I always do like this one. If I could even read the hard drive, it's 99999 kilobytes. And you'll add to that program group. So, show necessary this space. Yeah, just installing Windows. I don't know Windows really. Visual Basic 5.8. Visual Basic 5.8 is the fastest way to code. Effortlessly write code using native code. Visual Basic Mac with native code compiler. Create incredibly fast create ActiveX controls. Create powerful controls quickly. It's in its easiest sign forms. From the internet, Visual Basic 5.0 now includes ActiveX controls for browsing directly across and streaming data. Visit the Visual Basic website today. They did marshall.com/vbasic. I'm curious how websites go up. Set up the new system. Considering Microsoft's bad team page that I'm not fully sure. They might though. Fun little fact, VB.net's disk is tested with Visual Basic. Visual Basic runs on more platforms. Mainly Windows 9 X systems, like 95 and 98FE, where .NET frameworks were supported. Sharing these fun little facts. Alright, let's sign in to Windows. Cancel. And now you can go to programs, Visual Basic 5, Visual Basic 5.0. And that's it. The end.